Whew. That's right. It's another hot one here in Southern California. And you know, I want to talk about the good tech cheap way to stay cool. This is something that's going to help you if you're experiencing that hot summer heat for a low price. Let's check it out. Hey everybody, what's up? I'm your host Kevin, and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Just a reminder out there, if you like these videos, give us a like. Please also subscribe, and when you do that, turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. Why, do you ask? Well, it's getting hot out there, and Good Tech Cheap has a great way for all of you out there to stay cool. Who doesn't want to be cool? Look at my NASA shirt. I'm cool, right? All right, so today, the TaoTronics wall mount fan. It is 16 inches in diameter, it has 5 blades, it has 5 speeds, and it has a special wind mode to simulate live natural winds and breezes, which you can control with the remote. And you can program it to actually stay on as you go to sleep and gently turn off so that you're at a comfortable temperature overnight. You can also use that during the day. All these features, very handy. Let's talk more about them, shall we? When you're in natural wind mode, and this is something that I really appreciate, the noise is 40 decibels. That is so low to get that nice refreshing breeze, which can just lower that ambient temperature and keep you so much more comfortable than if you're just around in a room with stagnant air. 5-blade design, so you actually get more power from what you're getting with a CMF rating of 2100. Now, that means that it can circulate air very efficiently and effectively, and I have tested it, and that is true. It's great to have in a gym space, a bedroom, a home office, a kid's room, or if you just want a little bit of extra breeze in the kitchen when you're cooking. It can be so hot already, and then you have a stove going and the stove top and the oven and stuff, and well, it can be a disaster. So it's nice to be able to cool off a little bit, if you know what I mean. So yeah, 5-blade design, 16-inch blade diameter. You have 90-degree oscillation, because when you wall mount the fan, you're actually able to determine what direction it goes in, and there is a 60-degree tilt along with that. And as I mentioned, the remote control can turn your fan on and off to all those different modes, the 5 speed modes and the wind modes. There also is an 8-hour timer. Say if you want to set it to go to sleep at night, you can set it for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. If you turn it to sleep mode, and I tried this out and I actually found it to be very comfortable, this fan speed actually lowers every half an hour, just lower and lower, more and more quiet, until it hits a bottom speed, and it maintains that for the rest of the night. And I don't know about any of you out there, but I do like a fan. I do like some air circulating when I'm sleeping at night, but I don't want it to be overpowering. Just the right hint, and just a tiny little bit of white noise makes it kind of drift off, and I'm thinking about it, and it's just sorry about that. 5 speeds and 3 different wind modes, 16-inch diameter, CMF rating of 2100, so that's very high for air circulation. All that for $59.99. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Click on that and you can order a fan for yourself. Mount it to your wall wherever you like, and you can stay cool. Behold, the TaoTronics fan, which was very easily wall mounted in literally about 1 minute. It is now securely in place and ready to be used. That is a nice, powerful breeze. You can actually see the effects of the fan on this plant, which is over 10 feet away. You can control the fan right here. Right now it's just on normal mode. Here's sleep mode, where it'll actually reduce in speed every half an hour. Breeze mode. And you can choose your, there it goes. So nice and quiet. You can also choose your speed right here. Let's lock that oscillation for a moment. As you can see, now it's locked. Low, medium low, medium high, high. This is your timer right here. 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. And that's really all there is to it. A great way to stay cool when hot weather comes your way. In fact, it's a little hot here today. Let's turn that back on. And let's get the oscillation going again. There we go. You can lock it into place too, see? Same controls on the remote that are on the fan itself. All right, that just about wraps it up for today. I want to give a shout out to TaoTronics for sending us the fan so we could check it out and test it and show all of you how to stay cool for only $59.99. Once again, link in the description below. From Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin. Be safe, stay kind. I'll see you next time.